Hey guys, good evening. This is Josh over here at AZ4 Runner Parts. I am in my garage at my home where everything originally started. Finally getting a little bit of time to work on this beautiful trailer build. And I have a few things I want to ask you guys about just to get some audience feedback and where you guys would do things. So I have these little side marker lights, and I was thinking about ordering some like little magnets to stick to the back of these and actually utilizing these so they just kind of stick right to the side. I could wire them through the hole and put them through the factory tubes and kind of run everything and tap into, I think, the main harness, like the main 4-pin harness for the trailer. So that's my goal, I think, for these. If you guys think they might look better, like maybe right here on the side. And then I have the yellow one. So I'm not sure if I should, I was thinking I would put the yellow one in the middle and then the red one up front. But that's actually a hole for the fender, so that's actually going to be used. So maybe I go right on the edge of the door, maybe. Not sure. What do you guys think? I also have a stereo. So this thing is made by Audio Express BT170, and it is a very, very simple radio, Bluetooth, bass, treble, on-off, volume. That's it. It's got an auxiliary speaker out for 2 different speakers, and then the power for 12 volt. So this is going to go somewhere in here, but because of how it mounts, it's going to be kind of like upside down in a way. I can't really put it like on top of anything. So I'm not sure where I would put this. I was thinking maybe, this would be kind of weird, but it might work, is I could essentially notch out a piece of this and mount this underneath so you have access to it, and it kind of recesses in a little bit. But I'm not sure if that would, maybe put it on the end so it's kind of out of the way and then just cut a section out. You guys think that would look good? Or I don't know, you guys. I don't want to do the wrong thing. I know there's no wrong way, but I just kind of a perfectionist in a way, but I guess with limited sources, you know what you have. But I got the layout for the bus bars. So I have my positive and my negative, aux beam, 60 amp breaker, fuse breaker, what have you. And then we also have this, which will be mounted. I haven't decided if I'm going to mount it up or if I'm going to mount it down. Probably going to mount it up though. And then crimper is on the way for these guys. Got a bunch of wiring over here, a bunch of 4 gauge and I think 6 gauge or 8 gauge. And then the main on off. So that's all going to get wired here hopefully in the next couple days, guys. Stay tuned for more on the Toyota 4Runner trailer build.